you guys, welcome back to my channel. Just wanted to drop in and give y'all a long awaited wig review. Now I've been wearing this wig since October, so it's been about a month now. I've been wearing this wig, and I just wanted to give you guys first my initial review and second my final review on this wig. This is the Acacia Outré. This is the Outré Acacia wig. I'm sure you guys have seen this a lot, but I got it in the color, I believe, D1B3033. That's the color that I got it in, I think. If not, I'll leave it in the description box down below just so you guys can, you know, have the exact color that I got. I paid $12 for this wig. I got it from wigtypes.com. This is a synthetic wig. It is heat resistant up to, I'm not sure if it's 400 or 377 degrees. I think it's 400 degrees. But as y'all know, if you've seen my other wig reviews, I really do not suggest putting heat on synthetic wigs. It just, I feel like it lessens the lifespan of the wig. I don't know, this is my personal opinion, but again, it's a Pixie wig. Honestly, it's a short wig. So in my opinion, I don't even see the purpose of even putting heat on a short wig if it's short. But that's just me. But I just wanted to show you guys that it is a full cap wig. It's like a bowl cut. And it is a full closure. A circle closure, sorry. On the inside is just a regular cap construction, and it has two clips, one in the front and one in the back, and of course adjustable straps. Now you guys, I am in love with this wig. This is a really easy snap and go type of wig. It's not really, I don't have to do a lot, whether it looks messy or even if it looks well put together, the wig is always cute. When I first got it, it wasn't really soft, and even now it's not soft. So I'm not even gonna play with y'all. Like, this wig like feels all silky smooth. One of the cons that I'll say about this wig is that I kind of don't like the shine on it. Now, it's not too bad, but to me, when I take pictures with flash, it's like, oh my god, it's a synthetic wig. But you know, to avoid that issue, just take pictures in the daylight. But I'm gonna go ahead and put this wig on. Med det tillfälligt tätt. Give me a second. All right, so like I said, this wig literally takes no effort. Like, as soon as I put it on my head, it's already starting to take the shape that I want it to. So the sideburns is probably my favorite part. I really love a Pixie wig that has really cute sideburns. But as I said, I mean, if you look at the wig, look at that. No effort at all. None whatsoever. Like, I just put it on, and even right now it's kind of messy, but it's cute. The wig is secure, it's big head friendly, so it's really not a lot to worry about with this wig. Like, it's really cute. Let me show you how the back looks. And y'all know, usually, go in there and cut my little baby hairs. Usually I would. But with this wig, like, as y'all can see, it comes down so, like, the hairs in the back are like so well cut and laid that I don't have to waste my time cutting my hair to make this fit. But you guys, look, nothing. I haven't cut this wig. I haven't done anything to it. I literally just put it on and go. Got on belly shop, boy. That's what I call my wigs, y'all. I call my wigs hats. Because to me, that's just, I'm just sliding on a hat and going. But let me know what you guys think about this wig. This wig is really cute to me, you know. Leave your comments down in the section below. And if you have any questions or concerns about this wig, let me know. Of course, you know, I will leave the description in, I will leave the link to this wig in the description box down below. Like I said, I did pay about, I think $12, 12 or 13, I think around that range. But if you do get it in the regular 1B color, I don't think it's gonna be that expensive, of course, because I got the color in it. That's how it looks. Let me just get close up so y'all can see the color. As you can see, there's some of the 30, there's some of the 33 in there. It's actually really cute. But that reminds me, another con about this wig is that I wish they would have kind of like played with the color a little bit more and like distributed it out a little bit more, instead of just putting plop the color on top and then bam the black on the sides. I wish they would have played with it a little bit more, but that's like the only con. I feel like it makes it look a little too wiggy for me, but hey, you know, you wear the wig, don't let the wig wear you. Keep that in mind, ladies. But that is really about it. Thank you guys so much for, you know, tuning in for another short wig review. Y'all know I love my short wigs. They just look really, really cute on my face. And not to mention, they're just easy to manage. I don't gotta deal with all that hassle. It got to be glue and trying to pluck a lace for. Oh, look, listen, this is easy. But merci en pile pour tout le monde qui a continué à regarder. Make sure you guys like, share, subscribe. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, please click the subscribe button. And if you are already, hit the notification bell so you know you can get notifications when I post videos. Even though I don't post them that often. But y'all, I got a whole life. I'm doing my best. But thank you so much, and you guys have a good one.